Hello friends, myself Aditya Joshi and I am a current student of ADSS CS Common class Telhara. So I want to tell a topic of a town. So friends, town is a place where lots of people come together and live. So that time we can say that a proper place or a significant place that we are living, this place can be called as a town because whenever a lots of people come together and live in a proper place and a lots of the people have their different caste, have their different religion, and they live together. So that time we can tell that this proper place is called as a town because whenever any person lives in a town, so that time that person has not a much more identity because when that person lives in a town, that he cannot say that he lives in a city, that he lives in a village. So town is a place that is between the city and the village because I want to introduce my town. My town name is Telhara, and Telhara is not a proper city or not a proper village. So it is a town, and I want to say that Telhara is a taluka, and it is in the Akola district because Akola district lies in a Amravati division, and our Telhara taluka is in a Akola district. So that time we can say that a town is a place that lots of people live together and live their life happily because it is not a very populated city and it is not a less populated city because that's time so we can say that it is a town. And now I am to tell that the Telhara town is divided into three parts that we can say that is the old city, that is the new city, and a third can be said that a developing city present in our Telhara. And I want to say that those old town and new town is divided by a Gautama river. It is not a river, but we can say that it is a place where sewage of a people can be flowed daily. So that's why we can say that division can happen due to that Gautama river. And whenever people do that things that happen due to the lots of people's problem, and this happen due to the law of current flow of sewage to that river, Gautama river. And so that time I want to say that lots of things are present in our Telhara town because our Telhara town is a developing town. It's not a developed town. It's not a underdeveloped town. It is a developing town as like our Indian economy. So I want to say that when we live in a town, we have lots of responsibilities to clean our surrounding in our respective town, and we need to take respect of nature in our respective town because when we have lots of things that are not our own, but these are natural things as like our trees, as like our natural heritage, as like our cultural heritage. So I want to get a point that lots of things are present in our Telhara town, as like a lots of banks are present in our town, as like a central bank, as like Akola Madhyavarti Bank, as Nagpur Urban Bank. It is newly opened in our Telhara town, and I think that in the future there will be a there could be a bank that is known as a Telhara Urban that can be opened in the future. So I want to say that whenever any person has their own business in our Telhara, this business can also be growing in a particular speed, or can be grown can be grown as not a proper growth, but it can be growing because whenever lots of shops are present in our Telhara town, and I can also say that many temples are present in our Telhara town. According to me, a major temples in our Telhara town is a old Gautameshwar Maharaj temple, and another I can say that Dattawadi is also present in our temple. According to me, there are two squares are present in our town. That is a major square in the Telhara town is known as a Tower Square because lots of shops are present in a Tower Square, and another square can be known as a Mankar Square, but it is not a Mankar Square. It is a Tukaram Square. It is known because of a famous tea stall that is present on a Tukaram Square. It is known as a Mankar tea stall that is famous in our Telhara, and so that this square is known as a Mankar Square, but it is not a but it is not a Mankar Square. It is a Tukaram Square. I want to say that from the Tukaram Square, a road goes to to a bus stand. That bus stand is present in our Telhara, and not a proper facilities are present in our India. Because Telhara town is a developing town. Okay, it is not a developed town, as I recently said that. And another time I can say that three petrol pumps are also present in our town, and these petrol pumps are present on a first petrol pump is present in front of a rest house. Another is present on a Riverhead road, and another can I can say that another petrol pump is present on a Maregaon road, because this is a main road, that is a main Jalgaon road that passes through our town. And now I want to say that lots of shops are present in our town, that also includes electrical shops, automobile shops, mobile shops, and lots of stationery shops are present also in our Tendara. I want to say that a main government hospital is also present in our town, that is situated on a Kotha road or a Bracket road, that I can also say that. So I want to say that many private hospitals are also present in our town, and this can help a lots of emergencies, that people can have their emergencies and they go to the private hospital. So I want to say that a lots of cheap guests can also come in our Telhara town, and if these cheap guests want to take a rest, so that time they take a rest in a rest house. Okay, this rest house on the road on the main road, that is the Shegao road. And I want to say that lots of people want to go to a coaching, so that's time lots of coachings are also important. So many coachings are also present in our Telara town, as like from coaching has lots of varieties, that coachings includes from speaking English, from getting a knowledge of a computer. That a computer, I want to say that a computer has their own coachings, that includes a global computer circle. These two computers are major computer coaching in our Telhara town. And another, I want to say that lots of science and math coaching classes are also present in our Telhara town. And these and I want to say that lots of coachings are present in the Gautameshwar Nagar, because there is a coaching of two main English coaching classes, and another science and math coaching classes that are also present in the Gautameshwar Nagar. And I want to say that as I recently said that lots of temples are present in our Telhara, and a major temples that I want to say that Sai Baba temple is also present in a Hivarkhed road, according to me. And I want to say that two entry gates, according to me, there are two entry gates are present in the Telhara town. First is on a Malegaon road, another is on a Shegaon road. That is that place is also, according to me, that place is also known as Shegaon Naka. And I want to say that two major parks are also included in our Telhara. That first park is on Shegaon Naka, and there are lots of pani puri stalls, that are also chaat stalls are also present on Shegaon Naka. And I want to say that our main roads are not properly developed. They are developing roads because they are under construction. So I want to say that, so you can also give your town's topic on properly. So I want to say that lastly, subscribe our channel, like our channel, and so that's all.